Can AI make your graphic design better? Right now, AI is turning every industry on its head, and that includes graphic design. From text-to-image prompts to AI-augmented design tools, we're exploring how you can get the graphic designs you desperately need with all the help from AI. Everyone knows that AI has its problems, and we're all worried about the prospect of it replacing human designers. But AI and designers don't have to be enemies. As we're going to get into, generative AI is simply a tool, and its effect on design and branding goes much further than what you may already know. Take notes because class is now in session. Now, unless you've been living under a rock these past few years, you've probably seen a few applications for AI in graphic design. Maybe you're impressed, maybe you're not. The truth is, if you're not trying them for yourself, there's probably a lot you're missing out on. Let's clear the table and start fresh. Here are a few of the main ways that people in the graphic design world are currently using AI today. AI-generated designs. This is the main application you're probably thinking of. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E helps generate entire images from a single prompt. These are a huge leap forward for technology, but as you can probably already guess, they're not all that practical. Some tools are being made, however, that seamlessly integrate AI into the design process. Canva, for example, lets you generate images with AI and plug them right into your design, all within the same. Even so, you never want to just take an AI-generated image and call it a day. People usually can't tell, and it comes off as lazy and uncreative. We always recommend that you work with a human designer to build great visuals out of AI art. Another thing you can do to improve your results with AI is master the art of prompting. It's an emerging field, but you can fine-tune the prompt you put into the AI image model to get closer to the results you're looking for. So, what can AI do for your design workflow? Image editing and enhancement. A professional designer could help you turn your AI image into amazing on-brand designs. But if you have an image already, AI can help you fine-tune it. One of the most popular tools is actually Photoshop's content-aware fill. This is actually a feature inside of Photoshop, and this is a really impressive piece of tech that's actually been around for a while now. You can simply select an element from your image and the AI will basically paint it out, replacing it with a realistic background that matches the rest of the image. Again, this tool has been around for a while and is a common staple among designers. Next is AI photo editing. Content Aware isn't the only AI that can spice up your photos. Many design softwares, including Canva, Pixlr, and Photoshop, are adding tools to help you make perfect product photos and social media posts. But remember, be careful with your brand. If you're tying anything to your business, you need to make sure it looks presentable. If you're using free or low-cost AI tools, you could end up with images that look smeary, fuzzy, or honestly just downright creepy. So be very careful if this is related to your brand. Pay close attention to what you make, and don't be afraid to get outside help. Design suggestions. Some people just want to use AI for everything. But if you actually know anything about AI, you know that it can take you all the way there. Some of the best uses for generative AI is actually as a helping hand to help you get to the final product faster. When it comes to design, AI can do this by taking care of the grunt work. Seriously, whose favorite part of web design is font pairing? Figma has a tool that uses machine learning to help you pick perfect fonts. And you can find similar tools out there for color palettes, layout, and even style inspiration. This is where AI can really empower your creative work. Helping you find inspiration means you get more done faster with higher quality results. Design workflow and creativity. AI software can help you implement a better process, work more efficiently, and get over your artist block. Consider Adobe XD. With its auto animate feature, it uses AI to create smooth transitions, helping designers create way better work for their clients. But really, AI is whatever you make of it. Looking for ways to improve your workflow? You can start just by asking ChatGPT. Here's what is suggested that I do to improve my workflow as a graphic designer. Set clear goals, organize my workspace, use templates and presets, master keyboard shortcuts, utilize automation tools better, stay updated on industry trends, seek feedback early and often, time management techniques, we all need that one, continuously learn, and take breaks. Not too bad. The great thing about ChatGPT is that unlike searching for an answer on Google, you can actually continue the conversation and get more details from it. But just remember, ChatGPT is a language model, not a search engine. It can help you come up with creative and useful ideas, but you should always take what it says with a grain of salt and fact-check it regularly. AI tools are everywhere, but you have to know where to look for them. Here are some of the AI offerings from the biggest design companies on the market: Adobe Sensei and Adobe Firefly. These are the names Adobe gives to their native generative AI tools. Sensei powers Experience Cloud, while Firefly powers Creative Cloud. These tools can do a lot, from creating real-time customer data to super impressive design editing. Canva AI. Like most design programs, Canva is eager to integrate AI while still putting creative first. For example, Magic Design lets you automatically generate templates for social media, presentations, and more. FigJam AI. Figma is adding AI tools to the workflow software FigJam. These tools have plenty of ways to help you improve your productivity and bring your whole design team together, including creative templates, automatic organization, and ideation with the power of ChatGPT. We're still in the early stages of this software. A lot of the stuff is still in beta, but expect more advanced tools to come throughout this year. At this point, you're probably thinking, what can't AI do? At Penji, our goal isn't to sell you on AI as the way of the future. The fact is, the tech still has a lot of limitations, and there are real reasons to be skeptical. When it comes to graphic design, one of the key concerns with relying on AI is originality. All AI image generators are basically compositing your image out of images that are already existing on the internet. That means, in a certain sense, AI can't create anything original. For this reason, you're typically not allowed to copyright anything that's produced with AI. At least that's true in the United States. If you're creating designs for yourself or your clients' businesses, you run the risk of making something basic or even something that's very similar to somebody else's. It's also very difficult to make designs that are on brand using AI. Advanced prompt engineering can help with this, but you'll almost always have to tweak it yourself to make it perfect. It's also important to set realistic expectations for what generative AI is. At the end of the day, all AI is doing is predicting outcomes based on statistics. It's not a partner, definitely not a designer. It's a tool. That being said, it's a tool that could have a huge impact on the way that we work. It can make you be more productive, help you come up with more ideas, especially when you're stuck, and transform your designs for the better. Whether you're a graphic designer, business owner, or a marketer, AI can help level you up.